I don't have question. I was listening the program, and one of the sister, she asked from South Africa. She was referring the question about taking the money and buy something else.
Okay.
What I was understanding the question, sister was asking, like if someone, let's say, like you work in some place and you took some stuff from there and to use it for your own self, not to be given.
Okay, well, if this is your question, I will be happy to answer it. But I did verify with the sister and I asked, is it because the sister said the company or one company sponsored her mother? They gave them vouchers to buy food. I specifically verified that. If you have another question, I'll be more than happy to elaborate on it. Do you?
No, it's just that one.
So you're asking if you're working for a company and you use the company's products for your personal use without their knowledge, like a copy machine, a printer, whatever. Am I correct?
Yes.
That is not permissible. Why? What happens if the owner or the employer works on you while you're printing papers, documents for your personal use for your kids' schools? Would that be okay with them? Or will they tell you off?
They will tell you off.
Thank you. That's why it is not permissible. And that's a different question than the sister from Johannesburg or Cape Town question. Thank you, Omar, from the UK. Everyone, you got to understand that anything that you fear to do it before people, because you know it is illegal, then it's illegal. I give you a car, a company car, to deliver my own products. I pay for the gas, I pay for the maintenance, I pay for everything. And you use the car meanwhile for Uber, for your personal use. No need to ask whether it's halal or haram, because it is 100% forbidden. Because you know, if you get caught, you will be fired. You will be penalized. Accordingly, it is not permissible. And may Allah bless us all. May Allah enable us to live to witness another beautiful month of Ramadan and make it our best Ramadan ever. We also need to remember our brothers and sisters in Gaza, even though there is ceasefire, but the perpetrators keep bombarding and killing innocent people in their tents, demolishing schools and masajid. May Allah have mercy on our brothers and sisters. May Allah aid and assist them. May Allah make them victorious. Allahumma ameen.